Building websites often means spending hours on setup, fixing layouts, and making sure everything works across devices. So the question is, can Google Antigravity actually reduce that work? This is where I'm going to build 3 agents to help me with this project. One agent will help with design, improving layout, spacing, and visual structure. Another agent will help with content, writing headlines, section text, and calls to action. And the third agent will help convert this design into a real WordPress site. All of these agents work together like a team. I guide them, review their output, and make the final decisions. First, open the app, and you'll see Agent Manager. Click that. Now just give a simple instruction to the first agent. Create a clean landing page for a web design studio. Include a hero section, services, portfolio, testimonials, and a contact area. Make it responsive. After a few seconds, the agent shows me a plan preview. It explains what it will build, which files it will edit, and how the layout will be structured. I approve the plan and Antigravity starts working. Now I can ask it to test the site and it will host it locally and open the preview automatically. It also records a small screen capture and shows the exact changes it made. Within a few seconds, I already have a working landing page. Next, more agents are added to improve the site. One agent is created as a UI designer to refine spacing, layout, and visual hierarchy. Another agent is created as a content strategist to improve headings, section copy, and calls to action. All updates from these agents appear in a shared inbox. When an agent finishes its task, a notification shows up. You can open their suggestions, review them, and apply what you like. Now, a WordPress builder agent is added. This agent's job is to turn the design into a real WordPress site. Once the WordPress agent finishes its task, it gives you clear instructions right here. Which blocks to use, how to set up the page, and what settings to change inside WordPress. You simply follow those steps. It's very straightforward. Once that's done, the site is now fully set up in WordPress. You can edit it using the block editor, make changes if needed, and publish it live. All of these agents work like a real team. You review their output, give feedback, and guide them if anything needs adjustment. Google Antigravity doesn't replace creativity. It removes the repetitive work so you can focus on building better websites faster.